Today, we're learning expressions with get. One word, but many different meanings. Here's the important idea. Get doesn't have just one meaning. Look at the words around it. Look at the words around it. Look at these 4 sentences. Get appears in every one, but does it mean the same thing? But does it mean the same thing? First, get can mean obtain or buy. For example, I need to get myself a camera. When get is followed by a thing, obtain or buy. Get a camera, get a drink, get a new phone. Second, get can mean receive. He got an award means he received an award. Quick check, she got a prize. Does get mean buy, receive, arrive, or become? Third, get can mean arrive. Get home means arrive home. For example, I got home at 6. With a place, get often means arrive. Get home, get there, and get to school. Fourth, get can mean become. Get emotional means become emotional. When get comes before an adjective, it can mean become, get angry, get bored, get better, get emotional. Remember 3 patterns. Get plus a thing means obtain, get plus a place means arrive, and get plus an adjective means become. Your turn. I need to get a drink. What does get mean? Think. Next one. We'll get there before midnight. What does get mean? Choose your answer. Last one. Please don't get angry. What does get mean? Remember the pattern. Now use get yourself. Ask your partner these questions, answering complete sentences, and then switch. Remember, don't translate get alone. Look at the whole expression. That's how you understand its meaning. Thank you for learning with me. Like, follow, and subscribe to Mr. Rian channel for more English lessons.